Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my April morpheme unboxing, and it's a little bit sad one for me today. I will let you know in a second why. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you gain the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Alright, so let's just talk a little bit about morpheme for a minute. This is a Live Glam subscription that, it's Live Glam, gives out monthly subscription bags. There are 3 now. There's an eyeshadow one, a lipstick one, and then of course the brushes that are the ones that I was doing. The brushes are Morphe brushes, and when I started this subscription, I was super ecstatic, and I didn't have as many brushes as I wanted to have, and that's why I did it. And also I did it for purposes of filming it, and if you've seen any of my other ones, you have seen that I do 2 of them together, and so because there's not too many brushes. When I first started getting the subscription, there was a lot of brushes, and I was really excited about that. I really love Morphe brushes, and the fact that I could get them in a subscription I thought was really good because I was getting a discount. They claim to be, like you have to claim to have a certain amount of money that the brushes are, so you're always getting over a certain amount, and I've come to think that that's not exactly it anymore, which is why, sadly, the long-winded part of this. So I've canceled my Morpheme subscription, and April's bag is my last one. This is my last one that I am getting. It's kind of sad for me. I've been getting Morpheme for about 2 years, I think. It's kind of sad because I really loved getting the brushes every month and stuff like that, but I've gotten to the point where I've got so many face brushes that I kind of like, I don't need these. I've literally been giving brushes to friends and stuff like that because I've gotten repeats over the last little while, and I realized that there's no point in me paying however much I pay. I think I paid $30 something a month for them, so it's not really worth it when they send like 2 brushes or 3 brushes. So it's gone to the point where I used to get like 5 or 6 brushes, and now we are getting like 3 or 4. And when I went into the store to actually buy some brushes, I realized that I think, not that this is a bad thing, but like I think the value of the brushes aren't as high as they said they should have been at one point, so that is why I unfortunately canceled the subscription. Enough rambling and talking about this. For April, it's Do Your Thing This Spring, and this is what it looks like. So obviously there are only 4 brushes this month, and let's start off with this one here. This is the R6, and this is a flat buffing brush, so it's for foundation. I didn't even need to think about that. I know what these ones are for now because I've gotten a few of the same looking brushes. This one's just rose gold. I don't particularly use these ones very often, so that's okay, but I really like the rose gold on it, so I do have something quite similar, so I think I will clean that one and give it to somebody and then keep this one. Then there is this one here. So this one here is the R42, is a mini round contour brush. Obviously it's the rose gold one. This is for contouring, so I would use this for like my nose, I think. I don't think I wouldn't contour here with this because it's so small, so I think the only thing I'd contour is my nose. I have a lot of similar brushes, so again, I'm not super stoked about this one. And then there is this one here. This is the R44, and it's actually double-ended, so it's an eyebrow brush. So you obviously got the spoolie, and then you've got the angled liner brush, so you could probably use this if it's small. So you could use this as an eyeliner, but of course it's an eyebrow brush. But I like the fact that there's a spoolie on it. I probably will definitely use this for my eyebrows. I've been really digging powdery stuff right now, so I've been using brushes. So this one I'm excited for. And then the last one I am excited for too. This is the R44, and this is a deluxe blending brush. So this is an eyeshadow blending brush. I love eyeshadow blending brushes, and I have said this before, if Morpheme had literally just an eyeshadow blending brush subscription that you could just buy, then I would do that, but they don't. So yeah, unfortunately, that's it. So those are the 4 brushes we received this month. I realized the rose gold ones cost a little bit more, so I do think this one was worth what they said it was supposed to be. There is that. So it's not, all in all, it's not too bad for my last bag. I will definitely use these, and I will keep these, and probably just get rid of some of the other ones that they were sent to me. So that is everything in this Morpheme subscription bag for April, and that is it. If you guys want to see a video on all of my favorite brushes that Morpheme has sent me in, I think, the 2.5 years that I've been getting it, leave me a comment in the comments below, and I can get a video for you. Also, I can also do a video on the brushes that I wasn't so super stoked about. I do have a list of everything that I have been, like, I've received in my Morpheme, so I can keep track of that, or even just like a look using all of Morphe brushes or something. I can do that as well. If you want to see one of those, leave me a comment in the comments below. That was everything for my Morpheme subscription. I regret that it will be my last one, but what can you do? Sometimes you just don't want to spend money on brushes that you don't need. Makes sense, right? Alright, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!